How to fix iPhone alarm sound is too low. If you're waking up to a super low alarm sound on your iPhone and it's not loud enough to get you out of bed, this video is for you. Today we'll walk through a few quick and easy steps to make your iPhone alarm louder and fix that low volume issue. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your volume is turned all the way up. It might sound simple, but sometimes the alarm sound is tied to your overall volume settings. Press the volume up button on the side of your phone, or you can simply go to settings, and from there you can go to sound and haptics and adjust the ringer and alert slider to the max. This controls the volume of your alarm sound. Next, check if your phone is on do not disturb mode or silent mode, which can lower the volume of your alarm. Just swipe down from the top right corner to open control center. If you see the moon icon, that means do not disturb mode is turned on. Just tap on it to turn it off. Now, if your volume settings are all good, let's check the alarm sound itself. Just open the clock app and simply tap on one of the alarm and simply tap on sound. And make sure you're using a loud and clear alarm tone. You can try tones like radar or alarm like this, and simply once you've choose, simply go back. Sometimes the default sounds just aren't loud enough for you. You can set a custom sound as your alarm as well. Just tap on sound again and you can simply go to tone store and you can choose a or pick a song, and that's it. That's how you can simply make your iPhone alarm voice louder. You can also what you can do is check for Bluetooth or external devices if it is connected to your phone. If it is, the alarm sound might be playing through that device instead of your phone. You can just turn off Bluetooth in control center or disconnect the device. And that's all there is to it. I hope one of these methods helped you make your iPhone alarm louder and get you on track for waking up on time.